Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to do split payments on Uber. Now, if you want to split a ride with a friend, you're going to the same area and you want to split the tab. It's not really that hard. All you need to do is go to your Uber app, of course, and book a ride. So we're going to book a ride, for example, here. We're going to do the very amazing, okay? There you go. Let's select that. And then let's just go make it closer, new market, right? Same place. There we go. For example, we want to go here. So again, cancel. So for example, this is going to be where we are going to be at, right? So here we want to tap on add payment, or if you have a payment here, you're gonna have your payment. And once you are here with your payment, you're gonna have an option. It's gonna show you your current trip, the destination, the length of how many miles, so on and so forth. And in the bottom, it's gonna show you an option to split fare. Just tap on split fare and just follow the instructions. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.